Hi everyone, dear subscribers. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to add a new account in Instagram. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Let's get started. For this we go to Instagram. After that we open in the lower right corner of your profile. Further in the upper left corner, click on the name of your account. Here appear accounts 1, 2, 3. You can have a lot of them. You can switch to the second account. You can switch to the third account. But in order to add a new one, you need to click Add Account. Further, you are offered here to enter the existing account. That is, write login and password or create a new one. You choose which of these suits you. Click. After that, you can either create a new one here, or if you want to log into an existing one, click Log into Existing Account. Here you enter your phone number, username or email, enter your password, and click Login. After that, you can add your new Instagram account, and it will be displayed in this line. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Bye-bye.